emu nsɛm ɛwɔ that is tepa mfante ɛma mmeranteɛ hwere wɔn kwa na mabu na ɛwɔ hɔ a charge because ɔmo hu sɛ element bi ɛwɔ tepa afano enough ɛtete mmeranteɛ no community mining na ɔmo de aba a ɔmo yɛ a whole lot ɛna ɛkɔ so hɔ anɔpa yi yɛbɛkɔ hɔ ne akɔ akɔgye updates ɛnora yɛdi nkɔmmɔ de faa Kajetia Central Market Redevelopment Phase 2. Now, the issue is that the update is that Ahoma ye chiche seka contractor no kebenya contractor no kra bisa na sem and I say yebetimi I mean say yebe find it out. Say contractor wona wo ye project no we ka na sika ene ase niam aboa ye den na wonso sesen aye difficult contractor aye very difficult and the information I am getting is that se si aye kasa yi contractor onim se ochina no obekọ obe resume se bosomi a edi animi no obeye adwuma se den ono ankasa onim that is information I say kan no enti send that so bi wo ho ma adwadifo se bia ochina kra no ye move to side that be di bi sani ho na anopai eno sa sem no ena ma na anopai this campaign also nyina ye som this year 2024 this year afiwe opem so celebrated the 25th anniversary na 25th anniversary na opem so celebrate no adwene hu din se empanimfo akuku damo a and international communities na tension beba kroma no enya asem ketwa na no pay amampani adodan kwakufu ado the president of the republic I am sure say the grand eba no beba bi of course also ba party general secretary for Asante Mantema Dimetima Boninia Freno Justin Frimpo Kodua lawyer anopa me chiaw na matwa dwen sisade yesu se opem so be celebrate ne 25th anniversary Dr. Mahmoud Baumia say esi agema kandi ho we say Asia I mean you get a point they say esi agema ana go himba say esi agema kandi ho una now the leader the flag bearer edema the MPP party Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe is a nkrofo bodi san hwe abe running meet so de manhia na afrie chief of staff ya maame Akosua Frema Opare Santimantema na afrie ya na maton krani bi e de ama the regional minister any ne appointees amowo Asantimantema appointees aban e de abrayen CEOs MMDCs munyina mo ka ho bi me frama no pai it is very important ebeya nimguase me say ebeya nimguase e de ama party MPP ebeya nimguase de ama mo na no pai me ka so kra frɛ Ashanti Youth Association ayafo muntie me na no pai Kumasi Youth Association kuya muntie me mo wo ho ade we mu nsom Kumasi International Airport anwe ne se no I was said the grand eba no a ye be wa Santimantema no beduru ho no ne ye wie me say fe ebeye any said dignity say free amanone ba amanpanimfo ahemfo mu free amahodo so ba no Come be fly all the way from Womo area. Panyai. Yawaha na Seychelles was a white president. Why Penifo Kukudam na ye receive you omo direct. The King of England. Obeba. Entikia waha. Na straight up. Na ye receive you omo. Na flight na see. Na ki. You see? No, mini a wutie man opay. Asma me ka woni me nyadwen. This is Kumasi International Airport. Enye anwe ne say contractor a oye adwuma no omo na ye kajetia phase 2 no. Omo na akọ no che omo ye adwuma ho. Say no sika no ese bi ni ho. But Mr. President Adodan Kwakufuado wodi yi Kumasi International Airport de nkwa film na ye. Because mo say about 80%. So 87.9 Kumasi Youth Association me say ade we mu nsom. This is a caller hu hia ade animonyam hye kese ye bo pem so 25th anniversary, the grand deba, the grand event. If we are see man saying in any waha, how big and how important this event na ye fly all the way. You free England eba, you free African country baby or free baby ano. I mean International Airport Kumasi na say it krom ha na opem so di 25th anniversary. Na say Kumasi International Airport mpanimfo akukuda mo ebetimi alande wa ha ba abehye mo nyam. In fact omawie no masa return no kaya simple dia ma mo no ye betena ho. I mean ye ba betena ho, ye ba abetena ho ama aka since Musa di aka ya da bia ne edi ho nkomo ne edi akobo ha ne edi akopem ha ne edi akobo ha ne edi akopem ha. This is a call, a very important call. I was here in Santiman. Yes, some President Adodan me say phase 2 ya share home, but the last time I checked, na see here June 2023. And ye dia ba be do this point. Tie mampani Adodan Kwakufuado.
I'm really happy to join you here today to cut the sword for the commencement of the second phase of the Kumasi Airport project. It is a seminal moment in the growth and development of this vibrant historic city, or Sekru, and I commend the hardworking and dynamic Minister for Aviation, Honorable Cecilia Abnadapa, for making today's event a reality.
Where President Adodan Kwakufuado 2018 7th June 2018 oya short cutting ana nani agye henwo je say was ye shebo ye bewie na anu ya deputy minister last year or say obeka wa ha be sa be shebo me say this time no ye because I am told it's a press conference bi be koso asa be my assurance say e kon na mo kono oh ye bewie dia mamo me say wo de Kumasi International Airport no sa Kumasi International Airport ya de beji ya de jiadin. I mean yeah no kroma no ye nim niam ayo ana na nkrofo ka se epo beda ha kambete epo beda kroma kambete enti Kumasi asante mantem ha ye benya International Airport anwe ne se memfa ho ni percentage aka say 99.9% kra no a 0.01 na aka no sa 0.1 na aka no a also ye de ka ho wie ansa no pem so the grand deba of the 25th anniversary na dru ho no also ye near commission. Yes, I'm Penny Adodan Kwakufuado. Event way, sab jumadi way. Uba unya shenka. Uba kra be fere. I mean,
I'm really happy to join you here today to cut the sword for the commencement of the second phase of the Kumasi Airport project. It is a seminal moment in the growth and development of this vibrant historic city, or Sekru. And I commend the hardworking and dynamic Minister for Aviation, Honorable Cecilia Abnadapa, for making today's event a reality.
So, way, Abusia, anopa way, and you see, and your MPP, and then NDC, Aya Santamai, and Puntonian Munyam she. Epa, what's here now? On that day, would you have Kumasi Kumasi International Airport? And I'm penning for Kuda. Woman Flaman on a best sunny, a sint, any one I wish ye. Bra Facebook pen, Besha, Brabesha, dear. Besha, a dear. Mefa bear callers bear 5. Bear 5 callers, Miss William PP and this is him. This is a campaigner. Yenina Santamai, Yenina yen som. Na yama mampani arodan kwa Akufo-Addo who say, I mean 25th anniversary ni ye ni abre. Asantema ya som. Yenina ye ba be diama na efe. Na emom Kumasi International Airport no. Yan commission yan commission
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Mamin fa calls, 5 callers. Ye